6 months since we installed the queuing system here, and the performance has really exceeded our expectations.
What I really like about our queuing system as well is the flexibility it offers us on match day. For example, if it's very cold, we can bring out knitted hats, scarves, put them on the queuing system. When we do that, we know the sales go up by 15-20% easy pre-match day. So it's absolutely fantastic for us. We can switch around the products on every match day. We can move the product around so when the people enter the system, they see different layouts and different products every time.
The actual installation of the queuing system took about 1 day. The goals were really to improve the customer experience coming through the store. Previously, before we had the queuing system, it was very unclear, very confusing. It wasn't a very pleasant experience at all. The installation of the queuing system was part of a bigger refit that we were doing in the store, and QMatic were really helpful in terms of coming up with point-of-sale solutions for us. We have quite a unique situation. I think it really helped that the project manager really understood that and could help us make the right decision in terms of layout and equipment. Customer flow was probably the key. We also wanted to obviously sell to the customers who were queuing at the time, which we weren't able to do before.
One of the best benefits that we're finding with the queue system is the television screens. We can bring this into play on match day.
They're obviously able to shop and watch the screens while they're moving through it, so it's a much better experience from their perspective.
We can advertise special offers, buy one get one free, or special discounts on key rings, etc. And that's been a huge help to us on match day. We've noticed an uplift on the sales. When people are in the queue, they see the television screens, they see the offers flashing up, and we notice that this has helped the sales immensely.
The sales performance of the queuing system has been really good, especially with specific categories, some of the smaller pickup items. And what's been really astonishing is that sales have actually contributed about a third of the takings on some of our match days, which is really unexpected. And I found that on match day we're actually well up on where we were before. We were roughly around 3,000 people coming through the store on a match day before we did the refit and put the system in. We're now averaging between 4,000 and 5,000 people, which is a great increase.
One of the key factors that became very evident in the first 2 weeks was the accessories. We do a very nice business on accessories, but within the first 2 or 3 weeks we knew that we didn't have enough product available. So we started to focus and expand the accessory range. Our pin badges business has almost trebled from using in the queue system. Our air fresheners has quadrupled at least. Key rings have increased by 1,500%. The DVDs, the books all have increased. Everything within that area really works and works very well for us.
The return on investment from a monetary point of view has been fantastic. The cost of the equipment and the installation was paid back within 8 weeks. So really anything now is profit. From a customer flow point of view, it's absolutely transformed the customer journey through the store. It takes 7 minutes on a match day from the back of the queue to the front of the queue. We don't have to use 2 or 3 members of staff to manage the queue because the call forward system does that for us, so customers are self-managing.